Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will learn how to make rib in the SolidWorks. Along with that we'll see how to use extrude boss base and extrude cut. So let's get started. When we open SolidWorks, this window will open here. So first we'll select new, select here part and click OK. Now we'll change this IPS to millimeter gram seconds because our values are in millimeter. Today we'll learn how to make this kind of geometry in SolidWorks. So first we'll draw this portion and then we'll extrude it. Diameter of this inner circle is 60 mm and the outer diameter is 120 mm and the height from this center line to this edge is 60 mm, but this is not total height because there is a gap here. This height is 50 mm and this one is 30. So height of the gap is 20 mm. So 60 plus 20, this will be 80. And the overall length is 260 mm and the width is 100 mm. So now we'll draw this. Select front plane here, select sketch. Now first we will draw circles. You can select circle from here as well, or else you can use a short key. Hold your right key of mouse and drag your mouse towards right to select circle. Draw two circles here. Click OK here. Now select smart dimension. Select this inner circle. And the diameter of this circle was 60 mm. Now select outer circle. Diameter of this circle was 120 mm. Now select line. And we'll draw that shape here. Again select smart dimension. Select this line and the length of this line was 260 mm and this height was 80 mm. Now select this line and the length of this line was 50 mm. Now we'll trim this circular part. So select trim entities and trim this part. Click OK here. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features. Select extruded base. Now we'll put here width of the block which was 100 mm and click OK here. Now we'll cut this rectangular gap. The height of this gap is 20 mm and the width is 80 mm. So right click on this surface, select sketch, select normal to. Select the small arrow besides of rectangle and we'll select here corner rectangle. Draw one rectangle here. Now we'll give dimensions to this rectangle. Height of this rectangle was 20 mm. Now select this line and the width was 80 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Again go to the features. Select here extruded cut. Here select through all and click OK. Now we'll cut this slot. The length of this slot is 60 mm and the diameter is 36. Distance from this center line to this edge is 40 mm and this center line to this edge is 38 mm. Now right click on this surface, select sketch and select normal to. Now click on this small arrow and we'll select here straight slot. Draw one slot here. Click OK. Now we'll assign dimensions to this slot. This length was 60 mm. Select this point and this point, and the diameter was 36 mm. Distance from this line to this edge was 38 mm. Click OK. Again, distance from this point to this edge was 40 mm. Now the sketch is fully defined. Go to the features, select extruded cut. Select here through all and click OK. Now we'll make this rib, and the width of the rib is 24 mm. Right click on this surface, select sketch, select here normal to, select line and draw one line here. Again select this line, hold the control key, select this outer circle and select here tangent relation, click OK. Now go to the features and select rib. Here they provide us three options. First option means it will make rib outside the block. Second option means it will make rib both sides of this line. And third option means it will make rib inside of this line. So we'll select this option. Here we'll put width of this block, which is 24 mm, and click OK. Now we'll see how to select material. Go to the appearance, select metals. Here we have so many options. For now we'll select this steel. You can select any steel you want. For now we'll select this polished steel. Drag this polished steel and drop on the block and select body. To change the background, select the small arrow besides of apply scene and select any background you want. Now we'll see how to apply and edit the color. Select edit appearance. Select any color you want. And here we have to give reference, face, surface or body. So we'll select here bodies. And now click on this block. You can adjust the colors from here. And from here you can change the color. And click OK here. So today we have learned how to use extrude boss base, extrude cut and how to make rib in SolidWorks. Try to make it. If you have any query, ask in the comment section. If you find this video informative, like this video and subscribe to the channel for upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching the video.